Attention Broncos! We've come up with a detour to help you get from campus to the I-10 westbound as fast and as safe as possible. The first closure will affect those who take the I-10 westbound on-ramp when leaving campus. The route we recommend to take for this closure is through Ridgeway Street. Here's the steps. While leaving from the side of campus where the F-Lot and Cal Poly Bush are located, follow signs for the I-10. Stay on the right lane to merge onto East Campus Drive for the I-10 East. Follow this street until you reach the next stoplight where you will need to make a left onto South Campus Drive at the light. A sign for the I-10 westbound freeway should be visible. After turning at the light, follow South Campus Drive and continue to the end of the street until you are forced to make a turn. Make a left to turn onto Ridgeway Street. After turning, stay in the left lane to turn onto the I-10 westbound on-ramp. Visit www.cpp.edu/compass for updates and other detours in the oncoming months for the I-10 ramps as the closures progress.